Thank you, Chair, Special Administrators for Nausori Town Council, for the wonderful speech. I think after I deliver my speech, I'll have to ask him to perform an item for us this morning. Navano Sakai Vivi, wana turang ratu na kumeno sorry. Chair, Special Administrators of Nausori Town Council, Director for Local Government, Executive Directors of Shop and Save, Supermarket and Market Development, Nausori PT Limited, the President of Nausori Chamber of Commerce, and your executives that are present here this morning, the officer in charge of Nausori Police Station, CEO for Nausori Town Council, management and your staff, Commissioner General's Office and Provincial Administrators, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Sambal Maleka, Bulanakwa, and a very good morning to you all. I'm delighted to be part of the launch of a significant milestone on our journey towards a much-needed progress and development of Nausori Town. Today we finalize a public-private partnership to develop the old Nausori market sites. It is worth noting that the development will be able to take place through collaborative approach. My Ministry and Nausori Town Council managed to seal this long pending deal amicably for the benefit of many residents and ratepayers of Nausori. Ladies and gentlemen, I can sense the optimism and excitement this public-private partnership is going to create in terms of infrastructure development, service delivery, economic prosperity that will boost the confidence of the local and foreign investors in our economy. Today, we embark on a journey that signifies not just the opening of new opportunities, but a commitment to innovation, sustainability, and inclusive growth. This partnership is a testament to the coalition government's shared vision of creating a society where everyone can thrive through shared responsibility, innovation, development, efficiency, job creation, sustainability, transparency, and accountability. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to our local partner, the Market Development Nausori PET Limited, that believe in our vision. Not to mention for holding on to it with patience and dedication, for working hand in hand to resolve all the complexities and hurdles and to successfully come this far. They have come out resilient despite many hurdles and shown that together we can achieve greater things. I'm thrilled to hear about your multi-million-dollar investments and see the 3D concept plan of the development of the Nausori, of the old market sites. This development, together with Nausori, other developments such as new Nausori Plaza, new Netson Commercial Complex, Pack and Save, and Shop and Save developments beside Nausori Market, Provincial Council Building Upgrade, Amrest Shopping Mall in Lakena, and many more in future will transform the old Nausori town into a modern and vibrant town, which is well aligned to our national and sustainable development goals. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to also encourage the Nausori Town Council to identify capital projects that would benefit the residents and ratepayers of the town. It is important that we continue to beautify our municipalities as part of our civic pride. Having said this, and with today's launch, I encourage all stakeholders, government agencies, private sector partners, civil society, and the public to work hand in hand. Let us combine our energies and ideas to build a future that is more prosperous, sustainable, and equitable. The municipal councils play a major role in driving private and public investments. The recent times economic growth has seen towns and cities in Fiji growing. There has been more demand placed on space management and ensuring sustainable development. The municipal administration system will need to drive sustainable investment at a more accelerated level. It is worth noting that public investment is very important to drive private investment. In this area, municipal council must continuously work with the government agencies to ensure infrastructure investment continues to be driven. In addition to construction investment, the municipal councils are required to promote friendly business climate. We all know that there is a demand for SME spaces in towns and cities. Municipal council must gear up to create spaces and drive SME smartly. The SME is an engine for economic growth, and every council must promote SMEs for the towns and cities to grow. In conclusion, today is a day of promise and potential. It marks the beginning of a journey towards a brighter and a more prosperous future for Nausori and Fiji. I'm excited about what we can achieve together, and I look forward to witnessing the positive impact that this public-private partnership initiative will have on Nausori and Fiji. Only when all develop together, it is real development. Only when we achieve sustainable development, it is sound development. For the Nausori Town Council, I would like to remind that as local government, we should recommit ourselves in serving the ratepayers. We must add value to the lives of our people. To each one of you who has embarked on this journey, I extend my heartfelt gratitude. Your journey, dedication, and relentless spirit fuel the dreams of our people and generations to come. May God bless Nausori Town. May God bless Nausori Town Council. May God bless the Vanua Vunivivi, and may God bless Fiji. Navalu.